Let's learn how to download and install the WhatsApp application in a Samsung Galaxy A07. Okay, to do that, open the Google Play Store right there. Now head to the search option right there because we're actually going to search for the WhatsApp application. Okay, so search apps, input WhatsApp. Okay, you're going to put WhatsApp. So after putting WhatsApp, make sure you search. Okay, you can actually see the WhatsApp messenger options right here. Tap right here. Now to install, tap right there. Okay, you can actually see it's actually now see that pending right now. You can see right now it's downloading, as you can see. Okay, it's now currently downloading, as you can see as shown there. Okay, so once it's done downloading, it will bring you these options of uninstall and open. Okay, what you do is tap the open option. Now you can actually continue setting up your WhatsApp. Okay, subscribe if you actually pick value in this video.